If you have a Mansfield toilet with this type of plastic unit in the center with a red gasket at the bottom, this is most likely the culprit if you have a slow leak. What happens is over time, this gasket breaks down and it cups, it curls over, and then down here along the edge, down at the bottom there will be a slow leak and water will just constantly drain out. So I am going to show you how to remove this, take this part up here, just replace out that red gasket with this new part. It's about $2 and it will be good to go for probably about a year. Over time, the suction pushes down on this and it, now the bottom's a little bit out of focus, but I'll show a close up of it when I get the gasket out of there. So if you take and pull this out, unscrew this, and then you can lift the flush lever up and out. I don't know all the technical terms, I'm not a plumber, but you can see this gasket here is what wears out. And it just needs to be replaced. This one's actually not bad, but it cups and wears away. So if you can compare the two together, you can see there's a fresh one on the right and this old one has gotten worn out. So I'm gonna need 2 hands to do this properly. So I'll cut back to this. It just goes on this first lip here. I'll cut back when I get it installed. So I have the new gasket seated in there, just on the first lip. It's pretty simple. They sell this whole mechanism for about $10. It has the gasket in it, but you don't need it. So put your flush rod through there and slide this back down over. Sorry for the bad angles here. Line it up. Put it back down. Screw this little white plastic piece back in here. And put this back down in here. And you are good to go. Turn the water back on. Just when it comes up, it should sit flat against that red gasket and no longer have cupping or any cracks in it. And then you are good to go. So that is the #1 way to stop a leaky Mansfield toilet.